Hey, what's up, guys? So today's the big day. Got my new Omnipod 5. Let's see what's inside. User's manual. Another user's guide for iPhone. Important safety information. So some good media. The actual controller itself. Some adhesive overlays. It says the 10 pack, so 5 pods, another pack of 5, and an accessories box. Looks like charging cable, probably a charging block, and a protective piece for the actual controller itself. All right, well, I can't wait to get it on and activate it. Y'all stay tuned.